Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Within this video today, I wanted to take some time and I want to show you all these 19-inch turtle tires that I have installed on my 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike. I have gotten several questions and correspondence to the tires, so I figured I'd make a full in-depth review, show you them up close, show you all the markings and everything on them. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. I've had my 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike for a little over a month, give or take, and these tires have been nothing but great to me. They are very smooth on the road. They also look great as well. Just to confirm, these are 19-inch turtle tires. I also have a spare set. Should you want to see those, I can do a full in-depth review on those as well, from the inner tubes to the linings all the way to the tire itself. So drop a comment down below if you want to see a review on the spares. I'll go ahead and do that for you all. And again, feel free to pause at any point throughout this video, so that way you can take down the information of these tires here. From my current experience, these are actually some pretty decent 19-inch turtle tires. They're really smooth on the road. They have a nice rugged look and feel to them, and overall the performance is there. I will definitely keep you all updated on how these age, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stick around for those videos. Not that this is necessarily relevant to the 19-inch turtle tires, but I just wanted to throw this in there that both of my disc brakes are on the left side of my bike. So when I get onto my bike ready for riding, the disc brakes are on my left side. I just wanted to go ahead and throw that information in there as well for you all. Let's take a closer look at the front wheel right here, and it is the same size as the back tire. I'm going to show you all the details close up, and again, I want to encourage you, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. Rest assured, I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. there we have it. Those are the 19-inch turtle tires that I am currently riding on my 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike. I can do a full in-depth review on them for you all. I can show you them up close riding on the road. Should you be interested in that as well, I can make a full in-depth review. For this video, I wanted to touch base on the tires, show you all the details, let you all see them up close for those who are curious on what the wheels look like. And as I've stated many times in this video, I encourage you to drop those comments should you have any questions at all. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate your support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.